Learning the alphabet is such a critical skill in kindergarten. Letter names and sounds are the building blocks of reading and writing. So it is important to give students a lot of exposure and opportunities to practice their ABCs. One of my favorite ways to work on letters and sounds is with alphabet crafts. They are hands-on, fun for the kids, and help build their stamina. While learning, your students will have so much fun doing all these crafts without even realizing what they are gaining. Kindergarten teachers understand the importance of crafting in the classroom. Crafts are incredibly powerful tools of learning. You can use them in your classroom to help your students master key skills.
Subscribe for more videos by EY Teaching Resources.